Have you ever wondered exactly how big your favorite toy is? To find out, we need to measure its
Hey,
length.
Elena. Length is just a measure of how long or how tall something is from one end to the other. And I have just the tool to help us measure your toy car.
This is a standard ruler. It measures larger units, inches, on one side, and smaller units, centimeters, on the other side. We will typically use the larger units, inches, to measure the length of an object. Every number, other than 0, represents 1 unit of length. The golden rule of measuring is to always start at 0. Since many rulers, like this one, don't print a 0, you have to look for the first line or use the ruler's edge as your measuring starting point, which is 0. If you don't start measuring from the beginning of the ruler or the first line that is equal to 0, your measurement won't be right.
When measuring my toy car properly, it ends right at the 4 mark. That means my car is exactly 4 inches long.